Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Bar San Homestead.
Hi, everybody.
Today we're going to show you two things in our video. One will be our laneway build.
And the other is our propane tanks. Barty spent a lot of time looking for used propane tanks that we could refinish and get recertified. And so that's what we want to show you today is they look pretty nasty to start with. I'm really happy with how they turned out.
Yeah, they were astronomically priced to buy, and we wanted to own our own instead of always renting.
Yeah, it's worked out well.
In our laneway, you'll see we built it up in the video. There was, though, on the corner, there's kind of a corner in it, and right there we used the fill from our cabin foundation that we dug out, and then we had to build it up about 1 foot, put a drain pipe in. It's a piece of drill stem, 6-inch, I think, and then we built up about 16 to 20 inches of material on top of that, and then the gravel on top of that.
We just want to show you these two projects completed.
Miss Mew just wanted to come and say her part.
We hope you enjoy the video.
There we go. How are you?
So for lunch, I just made some sweet and sour sauce, which Barney just learned has a horrendous amount of sugar in it. We need to find a healthier recipe for that. But I didn't have a lot of veggies right now, so we just make do with what we have. And so we've got some celery, some carrots, and some canned pineapple, which I drained all the liquid out of. And then just add the sweet and sour sauce to it, and then just put it on top of noodles. And it's just a really, really nice filling meal, actually, and quite simple. How many?
Good. One more little one. Too much. That's good. That's good.
Okay. That's for you. So Barney just put in a pipe for a little culvert. There gets to be a bit of a puddle at this part of the driveway, so he wanted just to put that there. And he's already got it built up, probably close to a foot. And then he's got all of this fill from what was in the hole for the foundation. And so this is just going to build up our driveway. Then we'll just top it with gravel from our little gravel pit down below. This is the last one for here, and then he's going to bring the backhoe out and start leveling. Sun's just getting ready to go down. Barn's been working at this most of the day. September 11th, and Barney finished graveling the driveway for this year, and it really turned out nice.
Just wanted to show you the rest of the laneway that will be finished at a later date. Behind us is the piece we've got all gravel. So here's the laneway right now. The gravel ends like right here. And out there you can see it's quite muddy, or has been. And there are cabins in the background. And there is the blue tarp with our firewood under it. We're going to put the road in through right here somewhere. Coming in, let's see, through about right there. And it will go out in there and then take a corner and come out over by that blue tarp. And this area in here will be grass, yard, whatever needs to be there. And our road is not going to always be putting that dust on top of the cabin. It's just a bit too close there, but it worked for right now, just to get in and out of the yard. So this will be our next section to work on, and the final section. We'll get it later.
Well, those are two projects that we're really glad to have behind us.
You bet. They were big projects.
With the propane tanks, we had a man come, and a propane guy come and certify them for us, and he had to put on new valves and whatever it was they needed, and he filled them up for us, and we got to use one of them throughout the winter in our camper to keep us warm.
Yeah.
So we're really happy with how they turned out.
They've worked perfectly, or the one has. We haven't used this one yet, but it'll be connected to the house soon enough, or cabin. With the laneway, we went all the way through the winter, lots of rainstorms, everything. It was so nice. The culverts worked great, and we've had no sinkage in it at all. It turned out really good, and the back and forwards to the backhoe, I guess, just packed it right in there when we were doing it, and it's been a great success.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Bye for now. God bless.